Hi, my name is Lobsang Wangdu. I'm with yourwangdu.com. I would like to show you how to make chidou. Chidou is Tibetan traditional food. In Tibetan New Year's Day, we eat chidou first thing in the morning. My family used to use this traditional way to cook the chidou. And normally we cook buckwheat in the water. Then after we cook it, we have the bigger rock. And flat rock, and then we have little rock. I don't know, maybe it's little have this bottle. So basically, you can put it on the rock and then crush it, and then cook it with meat. So it's really delicious. And still today in Tibet, we still use the buckwheat. Buckwheat looks like that. Also, we have two kinds of wheat. We call one, this one's buckwheat, and the other one is the winter wheat. Basically we call guncho, means the winter wheat, and we call the buckwheat chidou. Basically they grow they plant during the springtime. That means chidou. Chi means the springtime, cho means the wheat. In the United States, it's really hard to find the buckwheat, so I use steel cut oats for chidou. This is close to the buckwheat, so that's why I cook this. You need all these ingredients: salt, steel cut oats, and green onion, beef, and water, of course. This recipe is very simple. This is the sirloin steak beef. So I'm using half pound of meat. This beef is frozen, so a little hard to cut. I'm cutting pretty small piece. So this is what kind of piece you want. Just very small. So we'll cook fast. I'm chopping the green onion, so you should cut pretty small. So this one I'm gonna put when you're ready to serve the porridge. I'm gonna use steel cut oats, 1 cup. Then I'm gonna put the 1/2 pound of beef. Everything should go over here. And then add the water. I just put a little over 2 cups of water. So if you need more water, you can add it in the later. Now I'm going to put in heat high until boil the chidou. So after starting to boil the water, so you have to turn down really low heat, and I'm gonna cook about maybe 30 to 40 minutes. I just put it on a high heat, so I'm gonna put the lid on until starting to boil. Basically, I'm gonna pretty much put the lid on all the time. Also, you have to, after you starting to boil, and time to time you have to store it. So far I cooked 23 minutes. So it's pretty thick right now. So before I put maybe a little over 2 cups of water, no, I'm gonna add a little bit more water. Probably maybe, I don't know, another half cup of water. Also, I turned down the really lowest you can, the heat. I'm gonna put the green onion and salt in last. I have been cooking in 30 minutes. Looks like the meat is already cooked, but I still need to cook another 10 minutes for the oats. Of course, this is the lowest temperature right now on my stove. Now chidou is done. I cooked 40 minutes. I'm gonna put half teaspoon of salt and then green onions. So now it's ready to serve. Happy New Year! This looks good. I hope you are enjoying cooking the chidou. Please give us comment. We really appreciate for your comments. Thank you very much for watching this video.